Hello, everyone. Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor here with Dino. Dino, he is a current student at GMHU. He's also on his third deal. I'm not going to share too much of his information. I'll let him talk for himself, but we're here to a little bit of braggadocio is going to happen here because I want you to hear the numbers that this gentleman here, if you educate yourself well, if you get action, that's the biggest thing is take action. Too many of you are still waiting around. Maybe I'll get to my first deal. That's never going to happen. Dino's on his third deal and he is rocking it. So Dino, how you doing this evening?
Doing well, doing well.
Absolutely. So, and I made a couple reels now that I think about it on. I was bragging on, some of my students are coming in and spending less than when I first got started. But that's the beauty of education to, implement it, taking action and going after it. So we're gonna get right to the numbers because I want people to see. Now, the one thing that I remind everybody watching this video is always that there's no deal the same. Okay. No investment is the same. Can you get numbers as good as what Dino's about to break down on here? You can get even better ones, but got to get at it again. So just, no expectation to say my numbers weren't exactly the same. Me personally, I always like to beat numbers anyway. So that's where I stand. But Dino, let's talk about your investment real quick before I bring the whiteboard up. So this is your second investment that you had. You put it out there already. It's already been sold technically, so tell us about that.
This one was, do you want me to go like how much detail, like area, country and everything?
Oh, well,
like
we can focus with it being in central Georgia. That's all they need to know. But more so details on the size of the home, from bedroom, bathrooms, how much it took in. And then we'll get the whiteboard. We'll start tossing numbers up there.
Gotcha. Okay. This one was a 2-2, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We got this one for a good price. I think the purchase price on this one was like I think it was like 1,500 to 2K. I can't remember. We haven't paid more than 2K for any of our homes so far. So let's call this one 1,500. We sold it on a note for like 16.5 and we were into it for like 5,500.
All in 5,500.
All in 5,500, yeah.
So let me bring the whiteboard up at this time. I do want to do that. And for those of you listening in, some of you already may be saying, well, there's no way. Okay. This isn't real estate, by the way. I don't hate real estate. Okay. I got to keep reminding people like, what do you have against real estate? I don't have anything against any investment. I like them all as long as they check out the ROIs. So, okay. So let's.
When I left out, we got 3K down too.
Well, there you have it. Okay. Now, Dino, you're an IT guy. So you tell me, why is my whiteboard not working? There we go. Okay, so 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single wide, located central Georgia, and we can list the cities. Doesn't matter. It's Macon, Georgia, Central Georgia. Okay, you got the home, bought home for. I think you're right, by the way. And now this deal that he's talking about where he got it from is from our Let's Do Deals on Tuesday. So some of you wondering, well, where can I get even a deal like Dino's here? Well, you can come to our call or you can get out there on the market. I mean, these deals do exist. So they're out there. Bought home for 1,500. Now the labor, the material, the holding. What is the holding, by the way? The holding is the lot rent, it's the utilities, it's the insurance, all the above. So the holding all in for, what was it, 4,000?
It was like 5,500 total.
That included the home.
Yes, that included. That was everything. Pretty sure.
So all in into investment for 5,500.
Right.
And that is still at a quarter of. When I say a good investment, I'm talking because we have the inflation of lumber, PVC, electrical, everything is going up. And mobile homes are right there at it now. We're starting to see them pick up now numbers, which is a great thing. It's got to keep up with inflation. But Dino was all in at 5,500. And he resold for how much?
16.5.
16.5. Okay.
Right.
16,500, and you created a note on this, so it wasn't an immediately flip cash sale kind of thing. So you created a note by taking a down payment of 3K. So those of you wondering, and I know we're kind of moving pretty quickly on here, okay, but 3,000 down payment, that means that he got at least half of his money all in, and that's what you want. You want it, I want to get at least half or all in down payment. Okay, so Dino have 3,000, so you're still into this for 2,500 out of pocket, if you will. But you got a monthly payment every month, and you should have the remaining within at least the first year, correct?
Yeah, and I can tell you that if you want to know the monthly payment.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm getting I'm getting $400 a month for the note.
400. So y'all add that up. 400 a month times how many months? Dino will be able to clear his 2,500 all out of pocket is what we're trying to get into. Okay. Now the ROI, that's where we're interested in. That's where, regardless if you're into mobile homes, real estate, or any kind of investments, this is what matters to you, the ROIs. What is your ROIs looking like?
Wow, I think this was like 300 plus, something like that.
That's why we do mobile homes, because it makes sense. The numbers check out. And again, look at the low risk, low entry, high reward. Yes, you know, we're talking 16.5 even coming back. But when you think about a 3,000 down payment, all these numbers are lower than a lot of what you see. But it's that low risk and high reward, because where else are you getting 300% ROIs? It makes sense. And that's why Dino does it. And that's what we show it on here. So, Dino, you have a third investment coming around the corner. Does it look something similar to this?
I think this one looks better because, you know, I know more. Yeah, the third one's much better, much better.
What was that comment you made? Do you know more?
I know more. Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah,
And
I know.
so there you go. I don't believe there's a such thing as perfect, but practice makes you better. And that's exactly what Dino just said with every deal. The first one wasn't as great. The second one was better, much better. And as you can see, some of those numbers on a second deal, he's already doing better than some people who are out there investing over years, haven't taken the proper education. Third deal, I'm not going to spoil that. I want to make another one of these videos because, yes, it is a lot better. And by that, he has a lot less in and a lot more that he's going to be able to get out of it. So it gets better and better. And that's actually what the call we have following up is multiplying deals. So you can only get better. You stick around long enough, you can't help but to pick up a few things. So, well, awesome. Dino, that is great. We didn't have time to really show pictures, and a lot of these videos may be done on person. So next time maybe we'll walk around and that sort of thing. But this gets the idea across. This is what mobile home investing can and does look like on a daily basis. You think he can do another deal like this after the third one?
I think so.
Well, there you have it. So there you have it. And that's all we have for here for GMHU mobile home investing example. Anything else you want to add to, Dino?
Yeah, just for people that might be on the fence thinking that, oh, hey, I can't afford mentorship, or no, you can't afford not to. Because I think about the third deal I'm on and the things that I did right and would have done wrong, what I did right without having a mentor. Oh man, the pitfalls, the gotchas that a mentor saves you are just immeasurable. So it's going to pay back dividends that you can't even know. And the best thing too is about having a mentor and a coach is that they're going to catapult you so much faster than if you did this on your own. Could you do it on your own? Sure you could, but it's going to take a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot more blood, sweat, and tears.
For sure, for sure. We thank you for that. Yes, so, well, Dino, don't go nowhere. I got one more question for you. But for those of you listening, wanting to get into mobile home investing, visit GarciaGMHU.com. Send me an email directly, j@GarciaGMHU.com. So next time, thank you for watching.